Oh, hi everyone, and welcome to the Rogue Devils Workshop. And today we've just had a delivery, so we're going to see what's in the box and see if there's anything any good that we can use. So to start with, we have a Traxxas Bandit, brushed, 12-turn motor. All looks pretty good. Standard XL5 ESC. Tyres and that look pretty good. Wants a bit of a clean. Rear tyres a little bit bald in the middle, but nothing too drastic. All in all, should be a nice little project just to get back up and running properly. Give it a clean and hopefully we can ship that one out pretty quick. Body shell's in really good condition. Just wants a bit of a clean up. So that should be a nice easy one. Next, oh hang on, no, what we got here? Okay, so maybe that's just a bit of a clue. We have two Rustler bodies. So that should mean somewhere here, yep, we have a Traxxas Rustler. We have a 3S, yep, 3S LiPo. Again, rear tyres are a little bit worn, nothing too drastic. Front tyres, really good nick. Shockers and that all seem perfect. Again, looks like it's had very little use. Chassis and that hasn't even got a mark on it. And it hasn't got the standard bumper, same as the Bandit. It's a colour-coded bumper, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Obviously someone can have whatever body they want. We can have a blue or we have a red. In general, that looks, again, with a bit of a clean up, like a nice little tidy car. So we're doing all right so far. But now we have lots of bits in the box, so let's just get this forward a bit. So we have, what we got? Oh, we got some spare stickers, obviously from the days when they were built. We actually have the original Bandit instruction manual. Don't get those very often, so we'll get those out of the way for now. We have two controllers, so at least we've got, hopefully we'll have the right equipment for the right ones. Just got to find out which one works which. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Okay, yeah, we've got, what we got, one, two, okay, we've got 3 spare wheels. Could come in handy because 2 on there are pretty useless, so we got 2 new ones that can go on the back of there. Save having to replace that lot. I'm going to run out of space on the bench here now, not too much stuff. Oh, okay, yep, we have cans of white lithium grease and high performance silicone lubricant. Handy, save me having to buy anything else. I like little projects like this, because never know what you're going to find. Okay, we've got, what's this, we have 2 in-car chargers. So that would be obviously for the Bandit. So if we sell it on, someone's more than welcome to those. We have obviously two batteries for the Bandit. Just the normal 9 batteries for that. Haven't decided yet whether to do a conversion on it to brushless or leave it as it is. We'll see how the market goes for that one. We have a Traxxas charger, very handy. Believe it or not, I don't actually have one. I use a standard LiPo charger, but again, might keep that, might sell it on with it if I decide to sell one of the cars. Okay, we have all sorts going on. We've got bags of stuff in here now. Let's get the bags out and see what we've got so far. Right, okay, we have a little bag of tools. We have a bottle of shop oil by the looks of it. Never been opened, very handy. More tools and battery stays. Okay, not sure. I think that's something to do with a... Oh, hang on. No, that could be the body mounts. Yeah, I think that's the little plastic protectors for the body mounts. Bit of paper. Bag of Traxxas screws. Oh, okay, and we have 2 high-speed gearings. Not sure which one's which, but we'll have to have a look and see what the numbers are on there. I think that is possibly... I thought that might have been a plastic one. No, they both look like metal, so... Okay, we'll see what they fit. They don't really make a difference. They could end up actually on my Rustler 4x4 because that needs to be upgraded a little bit. Okay, more gearings. 3725X. Not sure what that is, but oh no, that's for the battery, to extend it for a bigger battery. Okay, so that comes in handy. More gearing, hubs, front bumper, front arm, lower arm. So it's all stuff that's been taken off and changed at some stage. So it's more. Okay, box of body pins, always handy. Can't argue with that. More tools, more little tools. These are obviously just to yeah, sorry, I've forgotten the words now. Just adjust the drives with. I've got a little screwdriver in there. Okay, didn't know that. Okay, we have an original front bumper, another original front bumper, which is the TRX bumper, and the grey bumper, which I believe comes off the Bandit. And we have some, what we've got there. Oh, this is just for the shock absorbers, obviously just the adapters for them. And I think that's, oh no, hang on, and we missed a free pen. So, all in all, we've actually done really well out of that. I think with these, with a bit of a clean up, hopefully we won't have to do any major work to them. So change a couple of the rear wheels for the better tyres, shove a battery in them, give them a blast, make sure they run okay, and well, then I'll decide whether or not I'm actually going to keep them or whether I'm going to sell them on. I know the dear lady indoors will not let me keep both of them because I've got way too many. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I might even get to keep one. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Just a little short video just to see what we had in the box, and we'll do this again when they're all done up and see what condition they're in. Bye.